This is B-Side here, Music Mesa 2012 with your man from Digital DJ Tips, who else? Giving you the scoop on the new Stanton DJC.4. Yes, it is a little explosive. We've got Virtual DJ LE running directly with our new controller. We have the hardware sound card already built in. You can actually run this in analog mode where you can run your turntable or CD player directly through the two channels that are built into the unit. So I've got a 2-channel mixer that allows analog control. You also have the ability to do your auxiliary in and switch between the PC or through. So if you have another device or if your computer crashes, you have the ability to take that through directly into the sound card that's built into the controller. So that's really good safety to have. Your standard mic 1/4" input on off. I have a touch sensitivity for each jog wheel or platter. I also have crossfader control, curve control for the crossfader, and then my standard headphone Q pan and headphone volume level, 1/8" and 1/4" jack for your headphones. Those are your standards ins and outs. 2-channel mixer that has actually 2 virtual channels, so you can toggle and load between decks A, B, C, or D. I can scroll and load directly using these 2 encoders here. And I also have the ability to do a shift function where I'll actually get some of these additional layers that are outlined in the unit. So this particular controller is a little bit more than what you'd find for your typical DJ controller for virtual DJ. We added a few layers to it by adding multiple modes or layers by allowing us to shift key. And we also pulled out a few more tricks, so to speak, out of virtual DJ by allowing us to have 3 different knobs to control the effects. So I can actually have 3 different effects running simultaneously. Not only that, but I can actually take those effects and send them to the fader instead of using a physical knob, which is really great if you've got to throw the effect really fast. It's really hard for you to go from 0 to 11, so to speak, on a knob. I can actually do that a lot faster than I can with a fader. So I'll give you an example of that. This is my shift, filter, and then shift with a key. Okay. I have my effects I can turn on. I can control the effect here. I have an X and a Y. Now I can turn on fader effects and do X and Y here. I can turn that back off, and then now I'm back to a standard audio control. I also have your standard in-out manual loops. I can split it, cut it in half, and then turn on like some of those cool filters effects that I was showing you earlier. Or even the key. And then you have your samples, your hot cues, your automatic or manual loop, and then, like I say, the 3 knob control of effects. And then you can actually do your loop control length on and off with the knob as well. Standard 45mm pitch faders, line faders, and replaceable crossfader. And you also have a video smart fade mode and your crossfader link. So you can actually do video as well as audio, or you can separate the actual crossfader from video and audio. And that is your DJC4 in the bag. You heard it, saw it first on Digital DJ Tips.